Hiya, Planner Angels. Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube. And today I'm here back with my planner. I have been away for my hand surgeries for not planning and stuff like that. So I am back today, and my planner is from, well, no company name, but I was sent this to do a review on. And apparently the name of the company, they didn't put their name in here. So we would just go with the flow until I can find the name of the company. And I will link it down below. As you can see, I had already started. And when I had my surgery, I bluntly stopped. So we're going to start from February 1st and go to the present day. Okay, but it's going to be all separate videos. Now, I am using stickers from Denise Albright and also the company that sent me the planner, which this is all they give you. So one sticker bunch for each month. So we're gonna put these back here, and we're gonna go with what we got. Okay, so I'm gonna get started. I'm gonna flip this to one side. Now, Tuesday, February 1st, I don't remember what I had that day, but we're going to put a sticker there anyway. We're going to put a little heart for just in case I had an appointment that day. I'll have the fill in for that. So, let's see. Nope, I had no appointments that day. Okay. I have my calendar up on my computer. I'm sorry. So we're going to put one for Wednesday. And I'm also going to put myself a little target here with a little sticker that says "Be Home By," as a reminder that if I am out, I have to be home by a certain time to go live with Mrs. Gigi. And then same thing on Thursday. I'm going to put that, and I'm going to get a little target here and put it right here. Okay, so we got that. And Fridays I'm going to do the same thing because that's when I do my live on my channel. So we're going to do this, and we're going to also put a little target. I'm going to fill in everything after I get everything filled in. Now, what I want to do, now Sunday is the Super Bowl. Well, not on this one, but okay. We got that in here. So we're going to take the X and O stamp, or sticker, and put it right up here. I'm going to take February flag and put it over here. Now, if I'm off camera, let me know, guys, because I don't have my camera up at the moment. We're going to put a little to-do list over here. On Saturdays. And we're going to put this sticker up for Black History Month. Like so. I'm going to take the Happy Valentine's Day sticker off of here. Oh no, not yet. Wrong. I'm going to take Groundhog Day off and put it on the second. We're going to put, for the month of love, we're going to put Love is in the Air up here. And then we're going to take this little sticker and put it right there. Okie dokie. So now let's get into these here. Okay. So I got my 3 reminder days. I'm going to put one of the, you see, I got every season in these. I Love Today sticker on Tuesday. And then Family Fun on Sunday. And I'm going to put the pizza for takeout on Thursday night. So I'm going to put that up here. I don't do sleepovers, so I'm not going to put that one. Oh, I'm going to put this one right over here on Tuesday. Now I'll fill in everything after I am done. Now I want to do my water intake. Okay, so I'm going to put that on here. Doesn't matter what day it's on. And then we're going to take some little stickers here. And we're going to put those on the page also. Okay. There. And put one down here. And that's it. Let's see what else we can stick on the days. I'm telling guys, we can put this down at the bottom for washi. It's not going to be out through the whole book, but we got this, guys. We can also use this. No, I want to save that for the other page. Okay. We got a little piece here. We can stick that right down here. Let's see, do we have any more of those? I don't think we do, but we're going to check. Okay, that's it. So I want to thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't done so already, please do hit that red subscribe button and subscribe. And also hit the notification bell to get notified of when I go live, when I do premieres, or when I upload new content. I want to thank you all for your support. And also remember, everything is made with love in every stitch. Please be kind, be caring, be supportive, be blessed, be crafty, be planning. And I will see you all in the next video. And on the flip side, happy planning on a budget, happy everything on a budget, and I will see y'all in the next video and on the flip side. Bye bye for now.